GoMoWorld eSIM review. Watch before using. If you're considering GoMoWorld eSIM for your next trip, stick around because I'm breaking down everything you need to know about this service. GoMoWorld is designed for travelers looking for hassle-free connectivity in over 160 countries without the need for physical SIM cards. It's compatible with most eSIM-enabled devices, making it a versatile option for frequent flyers, digital nomads, or anyone tired of swapping SIMs. With GoMoWorld, you can buy and activate plans directly through their app, eliminating the need for in-person purchases or tedious setup processes. The app itself is straightforward and user-friendly, allowing you to choose plans based on your destination or regional preferences. Plans range from daily data bundles to longer-term options, giving you flexibility whether you're on a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure. Prices are competitive, though not the cheapest on the market. For instance, you can expect to pay around $10 for 1 GB of data in Europe, which is decent, but slightly pricier compared to some alternatives like Airalo. Performance-wise, GoMoWorld leverages partnerships with local carriers to provide reliable 4G LTE connectivity. While coverage is generally strong in urban areas, rural or remote regions may experience slower speeds or limited coverage, depending on the local provider's network. A notable feature is its ability to switch between networks for the best available signal, which ensures you're not stuck with a weak connection. One of GoMoWorld's standout features is its real-time data usage tracker, accessible through the app. This tool helps you monitor your data consumption to avoid unexpected overages. The app also supports instant top-ups, so if you run out of data, you can quickly purchase more without losing connectivity. However, keep in mind that GoMoWorld is primarily a data-focused service. If you need to make calls or send SMS, you'll have to rely on apps like WhatsApp, Skype, or similar VoIP services. In summary, GoMoWorld eSIM is an excellent choice for tech-savvy travelers who prioritize convenience and reliable data. While it's not the cheapest option available, the ease of use, solid performance in major destinations, and flexible plan options make it a strong contender in the eSIM market. If you're heading abroad and want a no-fuss solution for staying connected, GoMoWorld is worth considering.